In this video, we will cover turning off the power to the printer. The printer should be left on at all times, except when the printer is prompting to be turned off or in the event of moving the printer. The printer can be turned off in two different ways. One is normal mode and the other is emergency mode. To turn off the printer in normal mode, push and hold the power button for 1 second and you will hear a beep letting you know you can release the button. Do not hold the button down past hearing the beep. The printer will perform what is called a closure cleaning to ensure the print heads remain in the moist condition. The printer will shut off immediately after this cleaning process is complete. For this video, this clip has been sped up. Normal mode off is for powering the unit off for short periods of time, such as maintenance parts exchange, when moving the printer a short distance, or in the event of a planned power outage that will only be for a short period. In the event that the emergency power off is needed, such as in the case of a garment jamming, you can power off immediately by holding the power button for 3 seconds. This will immediately cut the power to the printer. If this function is used, the printer will need to have the head cleaning performed immediately once turned back on. This method should only be used in case of emergency only. The reason we need to do this is because the printer did not perform any type of cleaning when shutting the power off via emergency mode in order to keep the print heads in a good condition. Please note that opening the lid of the printer with the power on will also cut the power off in a similar manner as described in this video. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.